Hey guys, it's Kelly08 here. I'm just going to be showing you my new dirt bike that I just got a few days ago. So, yeah, it's a KTM 4-stroke 125 race bike. So, yeah, here it is. I just put some monster stickers on the fork guards. I got a DVS sticker on the side here, monster sticker on the back, and I have a Rockstar sticker here, but I'm just pushing that back on. So yeah, it's a really nice bike. Actually, I really like it. It's fast. Yeah, it's nice. So thanks. I just forgot to show you guys my gear, so yeah, here. Got some boots here. Nice and comfortable. I got some Thor green and black gloves. And then I got just some ordinary Von Zipper snowboarding goggles for right now. Green and purple also. And then I got a CKX helmet. Really nice, comfortable. Yeah, that's about it.